Discord is a great platform and offers all kinds of servers, but originally it was intended for gaming audiences. However, Discord doesn't really have a gaming library. What it has is a game activity that will display the game you're playing on your status. To enable this feature, launch your Discord application from your computer or laptop. Next, tap the gear icon from the bottom, then select Activity Status from the menu on the left. Make sure that the option to display currently running game as a status message is toggled on. Once you're done, Discord will automatically detect any game that you're playing, and your friends will be able to see it from your status. On the rare occasion that Discord fails to detect your game, you can manually add them by clicking on the Add It button. Select your game or platform from the drop-down menu, and you're done. You can turn off this feature anytime by going back to your settings and switching off the Display Currently Running Game as a Status Message option. If you would like more guides and tips for Discord and other online platforms, make sure to click like and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos that we think you'll find helpful.